In today's Dollar Tree's organization episode, you're going to want to stick around because I'm going to be showing you some of Dollar Tree's newest items that they have in now and some things that you can grab for some organization. We're going to jump off with these little jars. These are a 3-pack. You can find this in their travel section where they usually put the toothpaste, toothbrushes, and all your travel stuff and needs. So I was thinking that these little jars are perfect for spice jars if you are traveling, going camping, have a trip or something like that. You know, these are perfect for that situation, especially for camping. I really do love that you can just place them in these clear little jars. You can add labeling if you want to, and they just look so nice, and they're a great size to place down inside of a bag. Doesn't take up any space at all, and you can have your seasonings on the go. And in my previous video, I did show another way how to use these jars when you are traveling. These are also perfect to place down your jewelry. As you can see here, you can place down just your favorite pieces that you would like to take for you on the road, and they are super perfect and they are protected. Nothing will get inside of them, and I just love this idea to hold your jewelry when you are traveling and need to throw them somewhere really quick. Now, Dollar Tree has out their summer stuff. They're starting to bring out their summer items, and they have the coolest cups out right now. If you have kids, if you're gonna have a summer party, something like that, these are perfect. Look at these big old jumbo watermelon cups. They even have these little sharks, the beach ball, another little watermelon, and these other two watermelons that have the strap. You can hold it on your shoulder. I really love those. Those are super cute with the strap. But Dollar Tree has a lot of summer stuff out right now, but especially in their cups, they have a lot of cute cups. So if you have once again, a gathering get together, these would be super cute to just, have a themed party or something like that. But these are really nice. They even have the ice creams and those up there in the orange, pink, and teal. And as you can see, they just have a ton of different cups. So cups are trending with Dollar Tree right now, and they even have those that are the palm trees, which are super cute. I love that they're super sleek and tall. Those are very unique. I love them. But you will have to check out Dollar Tree now because they're starting to put out their summer stuff before they start selling out, because once they start putting them out, they are going to sell. But moving on to the next organization, DIY, Dollar Tree has out this collection of clear bins and organizers with the gold trimming. They also come in rose gold trimming, but I picked these up to my preference. I think these would look super pretty in the bathroom, on your bathroom sink, or if you have a little stand or wherever you would like to place them inside of your bathroom. But this one here, the 3 compartments, would look nice holding toothbrushes, toothpaste, even your tongue brushes, your tongue scrapers. And then in the front there, that little compartment, I thought it would be super cute to add a little decoration. So I have these seashells, and I just am gonna place them right in the front there because obviously these are in the bathroom, and I do have other seashells in here as decor, so it fits in super perfect. If you have any other things that you would like to place here, it would look great as well because you can see through the organizer and it looks super nice. Maybe some rocks with some little greenery inside would look beautiful. And here in this bin, I was thinking of placing down hand towels for your hands when you're washing your hands and you're done in the bathroom. You can have some nice hand towels in there. And these organizers are nice as well to decorate a guest bathroom if you do have a guest bathroom. So you would have to check out Dollar Tree to pick these up. They do have some other parts to this collection, and I did show those in my previous video as well. I did show how you can use one of them for hairbrushes. I'm not sure if some of you remember that, but those are great as well. And I just love how they look here on top of the sink. Very nice, sleek, and elegant, and I love it. Here is that other seashell decor that I have in the bathroom using one of Dollar Tree's baskets. This basket is super cute and I love how it's woven together. It looks really nice and high end as well. Like if you can find this at a different home decor store, they do always carry these, so I'm pretty sure you can find them, and they do have them in different colors. But this looks absolutely beautiful here holding the seashell. You have to let me know if you've seen these little baskets before or if you have one already, because they are super cute. Next up, Dollar Tree has this new ceramic little container or jar that I fell in love with. I just love the design on top. And for $125, well, I know that they've raised the prices, but in my area they haven't yet, so thank goodness. But for the price, it's not bad for this ceramic piece with the lid. It is super cute and elegant and I love it. I knew I had to pick one up because I know that it will be beautiful in the living room as really nice, beautiful decor, because not only can you place anything in here, but right here on this little table in the living room, I think it would look super pretty. Let's say if you want to have it just as decoration, just as it is now, you can, because of the lid. It just looks so beautiful. But you can open it up and place down whatever you want inside of here that can be useful to you. On here we usually place a candle, so I was thinking that I can place down some matchboxes inside of here, so that way we can have them right next to the candle, and it's nice and convenient for when you need to turn on the candle. You can just put the matchboxes inside of this container, and it can be nice and discreet inside of this container. You can't even tell what's inside, instead of having the matchboxes just laying there, on the table itself. You can place them in here, and it's so great to have right there for your convenience in a nice little jar. My friend, I hope you enjoyed this quick video showing you some easy DIY organization and showing you Dollar Tree's newest items. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to help me continue grow my channel and my community, and do consider hitting that subscribe button. It does mean a lot to me when you join the family. If you made it this far into my video, thank you so much. It is highly appreciated. Today's secret word is going to be summer vibes. So comment that down below in the comment section, and I will know that you made it this far, and thank you so much for that. And I hope you have the greatest week and the greatest Sunday. I will see you all on my next video. Take care and God bless.